A man buys a cruise ship on Craigslist. It is a very old boat. It was made in Germany in 1955. It is very beautiful. Some people think it is a bad idea. People buy crazy things on the internet every day. He sees it is a very good ship. He names the ship the Aurora. He wants the boat to be a museum. He wants everyone to see how beautiful it is. The ship needs lots of repairs. The man does everything by himself. It takes a very long time. Now he has some help. He makes videos on YouTube. The videos show what they are doing. Lots of people want to help him. He learns new things every day. The ship has many surprises. Every room has a story. He discovers the boat was part of the James Bond movie, From Russia with Love. He does not regret buying the boat.